Mga kasingal, welcome back sa ating program dito sa ating Facebook page, Joy Lord Kasingal New Edition. At sa ating namang YouTube channel, sana sundan nyo ako doon at mag-subscribe kayo. Joy Lord. Ang awit na kakantahin natin ngayon ay mula sa isa sa ating mga avid fan, top fan dyan sa Pardo, Cebu City, si Ma'am Cecilia Lastimosa. Sabi niya, "Good morning, idol. Have a blessed day. Pwede mo request og song nimo, dol? Once There Was a Love, song by Jose Feliciano. Please. Thank you." Okay. Medyo matagal-tagal tayong nagkakanta ulit kasi busy tayo at nandun sa hospital yung asawa ko. Kaya medyo natagalan tayong nag-upload ng bagong mga request, mga song request. Okay, ito yung Buena Mano na song request ang kakantahin natin ngayon. Ang request ni Ma'am Cecilia Lastimosa. Okay, kumusta kayo dyan, ma'am? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Ingat kayo palagi. At maraming salamat sa iyong solid support sa atin. Okay, ito na. Ang awit ni Jose Feliciano. Once There Was a Love. Once there was love, deeper than any ocean. Once there was a love filled with such devotion. It was yours and mine to hold and cherish and to keep for a lifetime. Then you went away on that lonely day. Once there was love. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I feel so all alone, wondering where I've gone wrong. Once there was a love that will never come again, so let's not pretend. Once there was a love, but that was long ago. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I feel so all alone, wondering where I've gone wrong. Once there was a love that will never come again, so let's not pretend. Once there was a love, but that was long ago. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.